Hey everybody, today we're diving into a question I get all the time. How do escrow accounts work? And if you're confused about it, trust me, you're not alone. This can be a tricky concept to wrap your head around, but I'm here to break it down in the simplest way possible. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how escrow accounts work, why they're important, and what to expect from them. And if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to help you. All right, so first things first, what exactly is an escrow account? Think of it as a specialized savings account that your mortgage company holds for you. The purpose is to make sure your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and if required, mortgage insurance are all paid on time each year. These aren't bills you have to worry about directly. The mortgage company takes care of them for you by using the funds from that escrow account. So, how does money get into this account? Each month, a portion of your mortgage payment is set aside for your escrow. So you're actually paying for things like property taxes and insurance over time, bit by bit, rather than all at once. So let's walk through an example to make it a bit clearer. All right, imagine you just bought a home for $400,000 and you put 10% down. That leaves you with a mortgage of $360,000. Now let's say your mortgage payment covers principal and interest, $2,275, property taxes, $250, homeowner's insurance, $150, and mortgage insurance, if it was needed, for $50. Your total payment would be $2,725 per month. The principal and interest portion goes toward your loan, but that additional $450 is set aside in your escrow account each month. Now, let's talk about how and when the money from your escrow account is used. Once or twice a year, depending on where you live, your mortgage company will pay your property taxes on your behalf. They'll also pay your homeowner's insurance bill once a year. And if you have mortgage insurance, like I talked about before, that gets paid monthly normally. So why are you paying several months of taxes and insurance up front at your closing? Great question. When you close on your home, the mortgage company will likely ask for a few months worth of taxes and insurance up front. It's natural to wonder, why am I paying this extra? Well, the answer is that they need a bit of a cushion called reserves to ensure there's enough in the account for these payments when they're due. It may seem like double paying at first, but it's just to help keep your account balanced from the start. You'll hear this referred to as your initial escrow setup. So how do you know your escrow account is accurate? Well, each year, the mortgage company does an escrow analysis. This is when they check to make sure that they're collecting the right amount each month. If they collected too much, you might get a small refund or see a slight decrease in your monthly payment. If they didn't collect enough, maybe because your property taxes increased, your monthly payment might go up a bit to cover the difference. This reconciliation is to protect you by ensuring there's enough in the account to cover upcoming costs and also to ensure the servicer isn't keeping too much of your money. All right, I always get asked, can I opt out of an escrow account? In some cases, you can choose not to have an escrow account, but remember, that would mean handling your property taxes and insurance payments on your own. Some people like the flexibility of managing their money, but also means keeping track of when big payments are due. So for many homeowners, escrow accounts offer a peace of mind since these essential payments are taken care of automatically. So that's the rundown on escrow accounts. They may seem confusing at first, but they're really there to make life easier, helping you manage those bigger annual bills bit by bit. If you have any questions about how escrow accounts work, or if you want to understand your escrow statement better, feel free to reach out to me. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'm here to make sure you have all the info you need on your home buying journey. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life.